Welcome to Feltovich Fit. Today we're going to talk about electrolytes. I've been supplementing with electrolytes for years. It took me a while to find the right formulation. I finally settled on Element. One is because I like the electrolyte ratios, but also it doesn't have any added sugar, any artificial sweeteners, or any artificial coloring. So the formulation is great. However, I was paying a ton of money on it. So I looked at the label and I was like, what the heck? This is just rocks you get off the ground. And Element, God bless them, to their credit, they actually have the formulation on their website and the proportions, the ingredients that you need to mix them in if you want to make it your own. So that's what I started doing. To do this, I just grab an empty L-Tyrosine container. I supplement my coffee with L-Tyrosine in the morning, but the container size and the scoop size just make for a convenient receptacle for mixing your electrolytes in. Go ahead and get a quality electric scale. You can get this at Walmart for a few bucks. Make sure you tear it out so it reads 0. And then you're going to start off with 300 grams of kosher salt. You don't want to use iodized salt in this, because if you're supplementing with a lot of electrolytes, then you could be getting too much iodine, which can cause goiter and potentially other problems. So make sure your units are correct. I thought something was a little off. You want this to be in grams. Yeah, that's what we want. All right, so you're gonna do 300 grams of kosher salt. Ah, 300 on the dot. After you've got your 300 grams of kosher salt, go ahead and tear it out, set it back to 0. Next, we've got 46 grams of potassium chloride. All right, boom, 46 grams of potassium chloride. Go ahead and re-zero your scale, tear it out. Come on, scale. Should read 0 grams. And then you're going to add you're supposed to add 46.8 grams of magnesium malate. We'll just round it up to 47. $47 grams magnesium. Oh, 48 grams. No big deal. So go ahead, seal it up. Shake it vigorously, make sure it's all mixed nice and well. Another reason that the empty L-Tyrosine container is a good container to mix your electrolytes in is because the scoop that it comes with, one flush scoop, is 3 grams, and conveniently enough, one serving is 3.5 grams. So one scoop of this is about 1 serving or 1 packet of the elements. To mix it, what I do is I put 1 scoop of Element in with 1 liter of filtered Brita water. I like the Yeti cooler, the Yeti 1 liter cooler, because one, it's stainless steel. You definitely don't want plastics. The material the chemicals can leach out into the water. Also, it's just a great thermos. It'll stay cold for hours. So try it out. I'll put the recipe below. Let me know what you think in the comments and questions below.